Ayan, nakabaka ng midget division, Cortez kontra Dugay City. In the first quarter, 7 minutes and 44. Number 16, Medina. Turnover sa Cortez Sud. Score natin 5-2 in the first quarter. Number 24, pull-up jumper. Good! Score natin 7-2. Favor of Dugay. In the first quarter, 7 minutes exactly. Midget division, first quarter. Number 16. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? Number 22, still. Tumatakbo ang Dugay. Number 2. Turnover sa Dugay City. Score natin 7-2 in the first quarter. 6 minutes and 45. Score natin 7-2. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay Midget Division in the first quarter. Score natin 7-2 in the first quarter. 6 minutes and 22. At insenyo ng switch fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Number 24. Short. Oras natin 6 minutes and 12 seconds. In the first quarter. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. 4 down. No. Score natin 7-2. 5 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. Nako play, number 23. Pull up jumper. No. Put back. Good. Number 29. Score natin 9-2. Lumalayo ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. In the first quarter, number 22. Blocking, traveling violation. Score natin 9-2. Lamang pa rin dito ang Dugay City kontra Cortez. Si Kuya Sandy, ang coach ng Cortez. Still. Number 16. May foul. Si number 11, Ramirez. Score natin 10-2. 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. In the first quarter. 5 minutes and 11 seconds. Midget division. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez Sud? Number 16. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 23. Pull up jumper. Niliwan ng ring. Score natin 10-2. Number 23. Number 11 to number 26, 29, still to number 16. May foul. Score natin 10-2. 4 minutes and 35 seconds in the first quarter. Unang tira, mintis yan sa Cortez Sud kontra Dugay City. And hatid sa inyo ng switch fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Mintis, boot yun. Ribang pa rin ng Cortez City in the first quarter. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 22, Medina. Airball. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. In the first quarter, score natin 10-2. 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City Midget Division. Number 23 to number 2. Wala pass. Pull up jumper. No. Number 11. Off the glass. Basket is good. Ramirez. Score natin 12-2. 10 na ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay kontra Cortez City. And the first quarter, 3 minutes and 25. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? May blocking foul. Score natin 12-2. In the first quarter, 10 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. Number 16, running shot! Basket is good. Score natin 12-4. Mabasa 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. Midget Division. Nagdalhin nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan. Number 29, power move! May foul. Si number 73, 11. Oras natin 2 minutes and 57 seconds in the first quarter. Score natin 12-4. Abante. Ang Dugay City Midget Division. 2 minutes and 57 seconds in the first quarter. Unang tira, number 29 is good. One over one kay number 29. Number 22, spin move. Rebound. No. Rebound number 29. Score natin 13-4. Ano ang gagawin ng Dugay? Still. Number 23. To number 16. Tinawa na referee. 10 over sa Cortez Sud. Shoutout sa Cortez, Bawak. Score natin 13-4. Lamang pa rin ng Dugay. Number 29, Santos, power move! No! Number 11. May foul. Si number 73. Oras natin 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Score natin 13-4. Abante ang Dugay City kontra Cortez Sud. In the first quarter, Midget Division. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 11 still. Number 16. Still 10 over. Sa Cortez, tumatakbo ang Dugay. Number 29. To number 24. Number 23. 23, di-discard it. Pass to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 33. Number 23. To number 29. 29. Wala pass! No! Pagkakataon yun sa Dugay. Hindi lang nakakompleto. 13-4. Naghahabol pa rin. Offensive foul. Ang Cortez Sud. I-score natin 13-4. Naghahabol pa rin ang Cortez Sud kontra Dugay Midget Division. First game natin to. Ng Barangay Summer League, number 29, Santos. Number 11, basket is good. Magandang warning ang Dugay City. Magandang connection dito ng Dugay. Score natin 15-4. 1 minute and 4 seconds. In the first quarter, score natin 15-4. 11 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City kontra Cortez Sud. In the first quarter, 55 seconds. Number 24 still tumatakbo ang Dugay. 3 on 2. Number 29. Wala pass. Number 2. Basket is good. 17-4. 35 seconds. In the first quarter, 17-4. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? Number 23 for the 3. No! Rebound number 29. 25 seconds. Santos coast to coast. Offensive foul. Offensive foul doon si number 29 ng Dugay City. Magandang galaw sana yun. Aso, kitang-kita ka ng referee natin. 20 seconds in the first quarter. 17-4. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? Last shot na to. Number 23, side step. No! May foul pa dun ang Cortez Sud. 4 seconds. Mismatch lang ang Dugay. Natatakbuhan lang talaga sila ng Dugay City kontra Cortez. Maganda lang ang pasahan ng Dugay, kaya nakakalamang dito. In the first quarter, 4 seconds, 17-4. In the first quarter, 17. Rip! 4 seconds. In the first quarter, basket is good. Score natin 18-4. 14 ang kalamangan dito. 4 seconds, oras natin in the first quarter. 3, 2, 1. In the first quarter, official score 18-4. 14 ang ibabaon dito ng Dugay City in the first quarter. Second quarter na tayo. Mainit ang aksyon ngayong Monday, June 30. Last month na ng June. Papalapit na tayo ng July. Second quarter, 18-4. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Big shoutout muna kay Boss Glenn Anore, Boss G-Boy Anore, Cap Gilly Anore. At sa bumubuo ng Barangay Summer League ng Barangay Batingan. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV. Score natin 18-4. Balik action tayo, second quarter. Second quarter, 9 minutes and 55. Number 17, Apasionado. Pull up jumper, Apasionado. Rebound number 19. Bola lang, Cortez Sud. Oras natin, 9 minutes and 40. In the second quarter, 18-4. Pasa. Back to the ball game. 18-4. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez Sud in the second quarter? 9 minutes and 20. Number 22, Miranda to number 0. Number 0 to number 19. No! 18-4. Abante pa rin dito ang Dugay City. Number 17, Apasionado to number 22. Same ball. Number 26 for the 3, no. Number 22, Medina. Number 22, coast to coast, Medina. May foul. Labing third dito. Walang dyan, ay iwawas din dito. May sira. Number 77, Curtis Criswell. Unang tira, Medina is good. 18-5 in the second quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. 1/1. Ay number 22 Medina. Score natin 18-5. Lamang pa rin dito ang Dugay City. Midget Division, Traveling Relation. Kitang-kita ka ng referee natin, mga idol. 10 over sa Dugay City. And a second quarter, Midget Division. First game pa lang natin to ng Barangay Summer League. Barangay Batingan. Score natin 18-5. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Cortez? Number 22, Medina. Huli, putback. Medina is good. Score natin 18-7. Bumababa ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. For the 3, number 16. No. Rebound number 16. So number 22, Medina. 7 minutes and 40. And the second quarter, 18-7. Number 14. Sinyido. To number 22, Medina. Airball. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 25. Number 26. Wala pass. Number 16, binali po. Basket is good. Gandang bali yun sa Dugay City. 27. Seven minutes and 20. In a second quarter, Midget Division. Official score, 27. 13 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. Medina. May foul. Shoutout kay Carlos Isante. Score natin, 27. Lamang pa rin ang Dugay. In a second quarter, 27 mga idol. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Midget Division. First game natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Medina pull-up jumper. May foul. Ibigay ng 2 shots si number 22 Medina. In the second quarter, Medina. It's good. 28 ang score natin. Pangalawang tira, Medina. No. Official score, 28. Baba sa 12 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. Kontra Cortez Sud. Number 26, side step on the glass. Gandang galaw niyan. Kay number 26, 22-8. Balik sa 14 ang lamangan dito ng Dugay City. In a second quarter, 6 minutes. 10 over. Hindi nagkaamuyan ang magkakampi. Ang Cortez Hood. Official score 22-8. 5 minutes and 52. In a second quarter, Midget Division. Apasionado. No. Rebound. Apasionado pa rin. Number 77. 3 seconds violation. 10 over sa Dugay City. Kaso, malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. 22-8. 14 ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay kontra Cortez Hood. Second quarter, Medina. Didiscard and Medina. Up and under. No. Medina put back. Wala pa rin. Sayang yung possession na yun sa Cortez. Tumatakbo ang Dugay. Anore. Number 26. Anore. Didiscard. Running shot. Anore is good. Gandang galaw niyan sa Dugay City. Matamis na matamis. Nabisa isang alamangan dito ng Dugay. 24-8. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? Medina. Spin move to number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. For down. No. 4 minutes and 35. And the second quarter for 3. No. Number 26, ano 24. 8. Lamang pa rin dito na malaki. Anores. Pass to Apasionado for the 3. No. Rebound number 22. Big rebound yon. Sa Dugay, pull-up jumper. Basket is good. 26-8. 18 ang kalamangan dito. Nandugay. Lumolobo na. Ang kalamangan ng Dugay in the second quarter. 3 minutes and 55. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? Good. Midget division. First game, one aside step. Number 1. Hindi lang nakompleto. Still, number 16. Fake shot for the 3. Bang! Score natin, 26-11. Ito na ba yung hinahanap ng Cortez Sud? Anorek, basket is good. Time out, Cortez Wood. 28-11 in the second quarter. 3 minutes and 23. Midget Division. First game natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez Sud in the second quarter? 3 minutes and 23. 28-11. Ayun, hatid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ayun, big-shoutout muna kay Boss Glenn Anore. Ayun, huwag niyo kalimutan ni follow si Mong TV. 28-11. Malaki. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. In the second quarter, Midget Division. Second quarter, 28-11. For the 3. No. Rebound number 16. To number 77. Apasionado, 28-11. Apasionado. For the 3. Apasionado, no good. Rebound number 7 to number 22. Pull-up jumper number 7. May foul. Ang Dugay dun. 28-11. 2 minutes and 50. In a second quarter. Makakabalik pa ba dito ang Cortez Sud in a second quarter? 28-11 running shot. No. Number 26. Anore. Coast to coast. Anore. Nabitin yung layup. Rebound pa rin Anore. Apasionado. When a pass. Beautiful pass. Binali pa. Number 16. Apasionado. When a pass. 3 seconds. Sayang yung mga pasahan dito ng Dugay. So, abante pa rin sila na malaki. 28-11. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez? In the second quarter. 2 minutes exactly for the 3. No. Rebound number 22. Number 26, Anore. 1 minute and 54. Second quarter. Midget Division. Anore. Wala pass. Traveling violation. Back-to-back turnover sa Dugay City. 28-11. 1 minute and 45. In the second quarter, Midget Division. Natin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. 1 minute and 30. In the second quarter, 28-11. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez for the 3? Airball. May foul. Penalty. Penalty na. Penalty na ang Dugay. Official score 28-11. Naghahabol pa rin ang Cortez Sud. Midget Division. First game pa lang natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Number 73. Mintisian. 28-11. Basket is good. 1/1. Ay number 73. 28-12. Lamang pa rin na malaki. Ang Dugay City. Anore. Ginugulo dito. Number 16. Oh, number 16 for the day. No. Rebound number 14. Number 14, nakatawan na. Offensive foul. One minute exactly in the second quarter. 28-12. 1 minute exactly. 28-12. Naghahabol pa rin ang Cortez Wood. Number 16. Running shot. Good! 28-14. Baba sa 14. Ang kalamangan. Anore, stop and pop. No. Number 7. Still. Number 23. 30 seconds. Still. Anore. Number 26. Anore. When a pass. Number 14 off the glass. Good. 20 seconds. In the second quarter. Number 16. May foul. Score natin 30. 30, 14. 15 seconds. Last shot na to sa Dugay City. Second quarter, midget division. Number 16, unang tira, no. 15 seconds, oras natin, second quarter. Official score, 30, 14. Pangalawang tira is good. 30, 15. Quincenas. Ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. In the second quarter, 8 seconds. Anore. 3 seconds for the 3 up the buzzer. No. Official score, 30, 15. 15 ang ibabaon dito ng Dugay kontra Cortez Wood. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ayun, shoutout sa mga Cortez go up. At sinusuportahan ng mga tropang. Official score 30, 15. Ayun, natin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Third quarter na tayo. Mainit ang aksyon. Ngayong June 30. Last month na natin to. Ang June 30. Live na live nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan, Barangay Summer League. Unang bakbakan pa lang to ng midget division. Atin muna sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ay, huwag nyo kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV. Shoutout kay Kuya Jomel Del Prado. Shoutout kay Kuya Jomel Ibanez. Balik aksyon tayo. In a third quarter. Sino kaya makakakuha ng unang panalo ngayong gabi? Ngayong Monday. Live na live nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan. Third quarter. 30-15. Makakabalik ba ang Cortez Wood? O mananatiling lamang ang Dugay City in the third quarter? Third quarter. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez Wood? Shoutout kay Marky Apasionado. Shoutout sa family Apasionado. Shoutout kay Kuya Norbs, ang coach ng Dugay City. May foul. Ang Dugay doon. Score natin 30-15. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez Wood? Number 73, power move. No. Medina, 3 seconds violation. 10 over sa Cortez. 9 minutes and 24 seconds. And the third quarter, midget division. Number 26, Anore. Well, a pass. Beautiful pass. Basket is good. Gandang pass yun. Gandang amo niya yun ng Dugay City. Anore to number 11. Ginugulo dito, still. Number 11, Ramirez. Well, a pass. Grabe naman yung amo yan dito. Ng Dugay City. Basang-basa ang depensa. (34-15). Lobo na sa 19. Ang kalamangan ng Dugay City. 8 minutes and 35. Number 24 to number 0. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortez yun? Medina. 14 seconds to shoot. 8 minutes and 25. Number 24 may foul sa likod. Si number 23. Second personal foul. 34-15. Eight minutes and 15 seconds in the third quarter. 34-15. For the 3, long range. Air ball. Number 26, Anore. 8 minutes exactly. Number 23. Well, a pass. Number 24. Grabe naman yung pasahan dito. Nakakarami na sa ilalim. 36-15. Binaw na sa 21. Ang Cortez Road. 7 minutes and 42. Seven minutes and 34. In the third quarter, 36-15. 36-15. Official score. Naghahabal pa rin ang Cortez. In the third quarter, number 22, Medina. To number 24, Medina. No. Number 26, Anore. Bring the ball. Number 26, Anore. One pass. No good. Rebound na kanino? Number 22, Medina. Six minutes and 56 seconds. In the third quarter, Midget Division. First game pa lang natin to. Ang Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan, June 30. Nagdaling nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan. For the 3. Short, rebound number 24, Medina. May foul. (36-15). No. 36-16. For the 3. No. Number 29. Power move. Number 29. Basket is good. 38-16. Na-injury pa yata si Once ng Cortez Sud. 6 minutes and 13 seconds in the third quarter. 38-16. Number 16 to number 22, Medina for the 3. No. Oras natin 5 minutes and 54. In the third quarter, 38-16. Turnover sa Dugay. 5 minutes and 54. In the third quarter, Midget Division. (38-16). In the third quarter, number 23, Aralar. Number 24, Airball. Number 23, huli ka! Kaso may foul. Unang tira, number 23. 5 minutes and 23. And third quarter, 38-16. Double-double ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. Basket is good. 39-16. And the third quarter, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 39-16. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Cortez? And the third quarter. Number 26, Medina. 14 seconds to shoot. Medina. To number 23 for the three. No. Rebound number 29. To number 26. Alure. Up and under. No. Number 24. Offensive foul. Oras natin 4 minutes and 31. Four minutes and 30. And the third quarter, 39-16. Number 16. Still. To number 2. Number 2, tatlo kalaban. Basket is good. Forty-one, 16. Loobo na ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. 4 minutes and 12 seconds in the third quarter. 41-16. Ito na ba ang unang panalo ng Dugay ngayong Barangay Summer League? Shoutout kay Ron Lirio. Balik aksyon tayo, third quarter, 41-16. Ang score natin in the third quarter, Midget Division. Number 16. To discard to number 23. To number 73. No, air ball. To number 2. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 54 seconds. In the third quarter, 41-16. Naghahabol pa rin ang Cortez Sud kontra Dugay City Midget Division. First game pa lang natin to. Running shot, number 22. Putback, Medina. No. Na kanina ang bola. Number 11 to number 26. Anore. Stop and pop for the three. No. Number 16. 10 over pa ang Cortez dun. 41-16 and the third quarter. 10 over, back-to-back 10 over, both team. 3 minutes and 12 seconds and the third quarter. Oras natin 2 minutes and 55. Number 24, Medina. Running shot, air ball. Magandang depensa dito ang ginagawa ng Dugay. Number 29. Number 29. To number 26. Anore, stop and pop for the three. No. Rebound pa rin, number 29. Wala pass. It's good. Napaganda pa. 46-16. And the third quarter, may foul si number 26, Anore. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 22. 2 minutes and 22. Penalty na ang Dugay City kontra Cortez Sud Midget Division. First game pa lang to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batigan. 43-16. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na, basket is good. 43-17. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay kontra Cortez Sud. 10 over pa ang Cortez Sud dun. 43-17. Abante pa rin ang double-double. Ang kalamangan dito na dugay. Wala pass! Butas na butas ang ilalim. Magandang pase o kay ano rin. 45, 17, 1 minute and 54. Shoutout kay Boss Matilok. Baka naman. 45, 17. In the third quarter, Medina. Gulong lang. Ano rin? Number 26, discarded. Home run, no. Rebound number 2. For the 3, number 2. 45-17. 1 minute and 10 seconds in the third quarter. Medina, number 22, coast to coast. Screen of traveling violation. Shoutout kay Boss Alpi. Baka naman. 45-17. In the third quarter. 1 minute and 3 seconds. 45-17. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng dugay. Hindi nagka-amuyan yung magkakampi. 10 over sa dugay. 45-17. Malaki pa rin naman ang kalamangan dito ng dugay. Kontra Cordes Sud. Midget Division, 51 seconds. Number 16. Hitting the ball. Number 16. Ginugulo dito. Symbol. 45-17. 41 seconds. Second quarter. Third quarter. Third quarter na tayo mga idol. 45-17. Ano ang gagawin ng Cortes Sud? Blocking foul. Penalty. Andugay City. And the third quarter. 45-17. Official score. 45-17. Naghahabol na ang Cortes Sud dito kontra Dugay. Unang tira is good. Number 22, Medina. No. Rebound. Number 7, number 22. To number 23, Arolar. No. 25 seconds. Technical. Number 2, tapon ka. Tapon ka na, idol. Double technical. 45-18. Out na si number 2 ng Dugay City. Tilapon na si number 2 ng Dugay City. Double technical. May emotion pa. 24 seconds. Bibigyan ng technical ang Cortes Sud. And the third quarter, 45-18. Malaki na ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. Kaso, hindi na control ni number 2 ang Dugay City. Basket is good. Official score. Official score. Official score 45-17. Abante pa rin na malaki ang Dugay City. In the third quarter, 24 seconds. 45-17. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Dugay. Number 22, Medina di-discard. Side step, may foul. 14 seconds in the third quarter. 45-17. Hatid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch na. Unang tira, number 22, Medina miss. 14 seconds, 45-17. malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito. Seven seconds. Number 22. Medina, 5 seconds. No. 1 seconds. Up the buzzer. Official score. Official score. 45-20. 45-20 official score. And a third quarter and a fourth quarter na tayo. Final quarter ng midget division. Unang first game pa lang natin ito ng Barangay Summer League. Barangay Batingan, 45-20. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter. Makakabalik pa ba ang Cortez Wood o dire-diretso na ang Dugay City sa unang panalo ngayong gabi, ngayong last month ng June 30. Ay dalhin nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan. Last quarter, fourth quarter. Pati sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch yan. Balik action tayo. 45-20. 9 minutes and 55 seconds in a fourth quarter. Number 26, Anore. Wanna pass. Beautiful pass. Basket is good. Magandang connection dito ang ginagawa ng Dugay. Kaya abante sila ng malaki. 47-20 in a final quarter. Number 22, Medina, traveling violation. Shoutout kay John Michael Estrada. May foul. 47-20. In a final quarter, fourth quarter. 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 26, Anore. Ginugulo dito number 16. Anore, naghihintay muna na rest back. So number 29 for the 3. No! Rebound! Power move! Grabe naman yung power rebound na yun ni number 22 na Dugay. 49-20, Medina. Oh, nako. Still, hindi nagkaamo yan. Ang Cortez doon. 10 over. 49-20. Official score. 49-20. And a fourth quarter. Final quarter. 8 minutes and 34. Number 23. Wala pass! No! Hindi lang nakompleto ng Dugay. Tumatakbo. Ang Cortez doon. Wala pass. Number 23. Medina, spin move, Medina, no good. Rebound number 23, putok. 49-20. Double-double pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. 8 minutes exactly. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. Number 23, one up pass. Intercept lang ng Cortez Wood. Number 73, may foul. Si number 26, Anore. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 50. And the final quarter, fourth quarter, 49-20. Midget division, 49-20. Lamang pa rin na malaki. Ang Dugay kontra Cortez Wood. Number 16, running shot. Airball. Rebound number 24. To number 23. 7 minutes and 20. Anore for the 3. No. 14 seconds to shoot. 7 minutes and 14. Still, number 73. Number 73. To number 16 for the 3. Airball, put back. No. Sayang yun sa Cortez Wood. 49-20. 6 minutes and 45. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. For the 3, number 23. No. Rebound number 23. 3 on 3 ang labanan. Pull-up jumper, 15-footer. Rebound number 16. Yan na ba? It's good. Shoutout kay Ate Susan. Dali ka, huli ka. Welcome to Barangay Batingan. 49-22. 49-22. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Balik action tayo. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. And a fourth quarter, 49-22. Number 26, Anore. Coast to coast! Anore, no! Rebound pa rin. Same ball. Shoutout kay Ate Susan. Dalida. 10 over. Sa Dugay. 49-22. Ano ang gagawin ng Cordeswood? 5 minutes and 49. And a fourth quarter. Number 14. Running shot. Walang tinaman. Rebound number 14. May foul. May tulak sa likod. (49-22). Double-double pa rin ang kalamanan dito. Nandugay City. Number 14. 5 minutes and 29. Number 14. Sinulubong ang dalawa, may foul. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 22. And a fourth quarter, 49-22, knockout play. Rebound number 26. Anore. 5 minutes and 15 seconds for the three, long range. BAM! Binawan na ang Cordeswood. 52-22. 4 minutes and 54 for the 3. Babawi ba? No! 52-22. Ito na ba ang unang panalo ng Dugay City? Number 26. Anore, wala pass. Basket is good. 54-22. 4 minutes and 35. And the final quarter, fourth quarter, number 24, Medina to number 1 of Douglas. Good. Number 14, Sinyido. Number 14, running shot, Sinyido is good. 54-26. Number 14, coast to coast. Number 14, basket is good. 56-26. 4 minutes exactly. And a fourth quarter, number 0. So number 14. Sinyido. Running shot. Sinyido. No. Put back number 14. So number 0. (56-26). 3 minutes and 43 seconds. In the final quarter, fourth quarter. (56-26). Nag-aabol pa rin ng Cordeswood in the fourth quarter, number 0. Put back, no. Still, number 1. 3 minutes and 22. Medina, number 24. May foul. 56-26. Unti-unti nang lumiliit ang oras natin dito. And the final quarter, fourth quarter. 56-26. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay City. Unang tira short. Medina. 3 minutes and 15 seconds in the fourth quarter. Midget Division. First game natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Atin sa inyo ng switch driver. Mag-switch ka na. Number 14, coast to coast. Still, number 24, Medina. Still, number 14. Wala pass. Basket is good. 58-26. 2 minutes and 44. Number 0. Number 1 for the 3. Air ball. Number 16. 2 and 2 labanan. Number 16. Wala pass. Number 20. No. Put back. No. Put back. It's good. Score natin 60-26. 2 minutes and 21. Final quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter. Number 24. Medina running shot. Medina is good. 60-28. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. On track. Cortes Hood. Midget Division. First game pa lang natin to. Pull up jumper. No. 4 and 2 labanan. Medina coast to coast. Number 0. Basket is good. 60-30. Isang buwan na ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. 16. May foul. Oras natin 1 minute and 38 seconds in the fourth quarter. Unang tira. No. Ayun, maulan na gabi sa inyo mga idol. Ingat kayo, madulas ang daan. Number 16. Mintisan. Bakit ganun? Backward ka na idol. Number 22. 60-30. 1 minute and 32. Bola ng Cortes. Final quarter, fourth quarter. 60-30. Number 0. Pull up jumper. No. Number 77. Apasionado. Huli. One minute and 12 seconds. 1 minute and 12 seconds in the fourth quarter. Number 77, what a pass. No. Rebound number 24, Medina. Official score, 30-60. 30. Ang kalamangan dito ng Dugay. Pull up, jumper. No. Put back, Medina. Number 19 pala. Hindi pala si Medina yun. Official score, 60-32. In the fourth quarter. May foul. Penalty. Both team penalty. 60-32. Ito na ba ang unang panalo ng Dugay City and Midget Division. Final quarter, fourth quarter. 46 seconds. 61-32. 46 seconds. Final quarter. Basket is good. 2 for 2. Kaya apasionado. 40 seconds. Still, number 77. Apasionado. Official score, 36. Oras natin, 36 seconds. Ayun, final quarter na tayo, 62-32. Panalo ang Dugay City kontra Cortes Sud Midget Division. Ayun, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat mga idol. Thanks for watching. Atin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na.